Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-send ng location or mag-send location sa ating WhatsApp. But first, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And once you learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating WhatsApp account. And dito guys, mamili lang tayo ng isang conversation na kung saan magsasend tayo ng ating real-time or exact location. So mag-open lang tayo ng conversation. And dito guys, pagka-open ng conversation, itap nyo lang yung file button na nandito sa write a message. And after nyan guys, may magpa-pop up ng mga options. So hanapin nyo lang dito yung location. So pag nakita nyo na, itap nyo lang. And then i-continue nyo lang guys. So i-allow nyo lang yung location. And ayan guys, pumili lang kayo dito ng inyong location kung alin yung gusto nyong isend dito sa WhatsApp. So for example guys, is itong location na to, tap nyo lang. And kung makikita nyo guys, nag-send na yung ating senand na location. So ayun lang, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-send location sa ating WhatsApp. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!